Turning now to the pandemic, the CDC says the Delta variant is now the dominant COVID-19 strain in the U.S. It accounts for more than 80% of infections in parts of the Midwest, overwhelming hospitals in states like Missouri, where there's been a sharp rise in hospitalizations in the last month. Nancy Chen is in Springfield, Missouri. And Nancy, how bad is the situation there?
Jamie, good morning to you. Just as more people are relaxing their behaviors, a hospital here is seeing the most COVID patients it has seen this entire pandemic, as doctors and those who have lost loved ones are urging people to stay vigilant.
Deborah Carmichael lost her daughter Trisha Jones to the Delta variant almost a month ago.
It was so severe. You can't believe how bad she looked physically, and while she was suffering, of course, internally. But this variant is just brutal. It takes no prisoners.
Carmichael says Jones was hesitant to get the COVID vaccine to begin with, but then she saw her mother get sick after her first shot.
That really freaked her out. And then after that, she was just adamant that she wasn't going to even mess with it. By the time she was kind of again thinking about, well, maybe I should do this or something, she had already picked up COVID.
As the Delta variant rages across the U.S., 14 states, including Missouri, still have less than 50% of their populations vaccinated. New data from Johns Hopkins warns the rate of COVID cases is almost 3 times higher in states with low vaccination rates.
Definitely, we wouldn't want to be in this position again.
Dr. Merrill Juarez is a pulmonary critical care physician at Missouri's Mercy Hospital Springfield, where they've had to add a second COVID ICU due to the rise in hospitalizations.
We have patients as young as newborns, or we have patients in between the ages of 30 plus. The disease process is faster than before, and they are getting sicker sooner than before.
It feels like a lot of people have let their guards down.
It's very saddening to talk to a patient and ask, what will you do different? And all of them invariably said, I wish I would have taken the vaccine.
Carmichael says that's what Jones told her after she got sick.
She said, Mom, you were right. I should have gotten the vaccine and I should have worn my mask more. I think she kind of felt a little overconfident that even if she got it, she would be okay.
And Dr. Juarez tells us there is concern that case numbers will keep going up here now that we've just come out of a major holiday weekend. Tony?
Not out of the woods yet. Nancy, thank you very much.